What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, I'm bringing to you one of my favorite fruits. In fact, it is my favorite, mangoes. I love it fresh, I love it frozen, I love it with lime, I love it with other fruits like pineapples, mixed in with some tahini. Oh, so good. I also love it pureed. And that is what we're using today, mango puree. So let's stop wasting time and let's get to it. Come on. All right, everybody. First into the pot, 80 grams of pure cane sugar and 40 grams gelatin. Let's go ahead and give that a little swirly swirls. Next into the pot, mango powder. This stuff is delicious. Let me tell you what, smells exactly like it should. Oh, golly. Take a big whiff of it after you shake it and you're gonna clear your sinuses out. We're going to use 1 teaspoon, just like such. Let's swirl that in there too, why not? Oh, that smells good. Next, we're going to need the scale. Ta-da! Now we need 225 grams of corn syrup. I need a helper knife. Be right back. If we're over a little bit, we're over. It'll be fine. Ooh, look at that. Bada bing. Oh, whatever. Now, we're going to use 125 grams of mango puree, and I'll talk about that here in just a moment, with 25 grams applesauce. And for that mango puree, we're going to use this one by Jungle Pulp. And as you can see, it's imported from Costa Rica. This stuff is amazing. Mango is my favorite fruit, and I love this stuff. If you love mango, you'll love this one too, I promise. Now, with that being said, you don't have to use this brand. You can use any that you like, even baby food. Yeah, Gerber. I've done it, and it works. It's just that this one here is my absolute favorite. So try something different, and if you like it, stick with it, all right? All right, let's get back to it. Come on. That applesauce helps retain the bite. It also helps retain a little more moisture than what the mango will, and it makes stirring it a little easier. And you'll see what I mean when we get to that point. New spatula. And finally, we will be using a couple squirts of this right here. Natural mango flavor. Oh, this stuff is good. 1, 2. This really helps bring that mango flavor out. Oh my goodness. It smells like a mango orchard in here. Believe it or not, that's good enough to allow that gelatin to bloom. So we're gonna let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes and then we'll put it on the stovetop. Bye! All right, listen up. We can't forget these two main characters. 2 ounces liquid coconut oil. Or your favorite oil, such as EVOO, heart healthy and all that, as well as 4 pinches malic acid, and 5 grams cream of tartar. All right, this has been sitting on the pot for a little bit. Excuse me. This has been sitting on the stovetop, and we're getting ready to add that oil. So, give me 1 minute. I also need to switch that spatula to a whisker. All right, everybody. We're about to add that oil. And you know I got to do a slow-mo. 3, 2, 1, go. Get it all in there. Haven't said that in a while. Take it all. Here we go. Now we're going to stir this for the next several minutes until all that oil has been fully incorporated within the batch. All right. But I won't make you watch all of that. Unless you like watching it, let me know in the comments. I gave it a little tasty poo, and we need another squirt of this. That should be good. Whoa, my goodness. Trying to tear down the house up here. Now you will see, as we reach that simmering boil, that it becomes harder to stir. And if you do this at home and you've done the other batches, you'll definitely notice the difference when you're stirring it. There's more resistance. It moves as one versus the whisk moving through the whole thing, if that makes sense. Anyway, I've turned up the heat and we're going to continue stirring until we reach that simmering boil. Normally I'd let it sit, but you don't want this to burn to the bottom of the pan or pot, all right? It's just something to keep an eye out on. Once we reach that simmering boil, we're going to hit it with those acids, and I'll see you when it's time for that. Okay? Okay. As you can see, we're just about there. Probably another minute and we'll be rocking and rolling.
1 minute later.
Yep, we're rocking and rolling, and it's much harder to stir now. Let's get those acids in there. All right, we're going to continue stirring this for the next couple minutes to allow all that excess water to evaporate out, and then it's time to pour. So I will see you over there. All right, everybody, here we go. Now, one thing I will say, when using the mango puree, you have to work a lot faster. Sometimes it's easier said than done. So I would suggest doing a flood and scrape. Oops. A little heavy at the end there. That's okay. And that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. And there you go, mango gummies. I love that puree. I can't say it enough. So if you're going to give these a try, I'd say use that stuff. And again, you can use any mango puree that you like, whatever's cheapest. It doesn't matter. As long as it's mango puree, it'll work. But that stuff, so good. And I do these in different variations with lime, with tahini, with lime and tahini. You name it, I do it. And I do that for a lot of these gummies. So if you want to see more variations, let me know. And if you need help, you know what to do. All right? Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.